Bacteria, the invisible world around us. Imagine a world where invisible organisms are everywhere, influencing our health, our food, and even the environment. These tiny living things are called bacteria, and understanding this word is crucial for your IELTS success. Word type: bacteria is a noun. It's important to note that bacteria is actually the plural form. The singular form is bacterium. However, in everyday speech, people often use bacteria as both singular and plural. Meaning, bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms that can be found almost everywhere on Earth. They come in various shapes and can be either harmful or beneficial to other living things. Word history: the term bacteria comes from the Greek word bakterion, meaning little staff or stick. This name was chosen because the first bacteria observed under a microscope were rod-shaped. Antonyms: while bacteria don't have direct antonyms, we can consider some contrasting terms. These include antibiotics, which are substances that kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. We also have the term sterile, which describes an environment free from bacteria and other microorganisms. Synonyms: some synonyms or related terms for bacteria include microbes, germs, and microorganisms. However, it's important to note that these terms are not always exactly interchangeable, as they can include other types of microscopic life forms as well. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use bacteria in sentences. Harmful bacteria in food can cause severe illness if not properly handled and cooked. Some types of bacteria are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Scientists are studying how certain bacteria can be used to clean up oil spills in the ocean. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using bacteria as a singular noun. For example, saying a bacteria was found in the sample is incorrect. Instead, you should say a bacterium was found in the sample or bacteria were found in the sample. Another error is confusing bacteria with viruses. While both can cause diseases, they are different types of microorganisms with distinct characteristics. To wrap up, bacteria are fascinating microorganisms that play a significant role in our world. By understanding this term and using it correctly, you'll be better equipped to discuss topics related to biology, health, and the environment in your IELTS exam. Remember, bacteria are all around us, some harmful, some helpful, but all incredibly important to life as we know it.